oxygen compartments after the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. If needed, lifelines are located in the window frames at the aft overwing exits. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits near for seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you're unable or uncomfortable, please ask the flight attendant to move. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a changing color or an exit sign to indicate that you've reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the strap. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secured before helping others. Should you need it, you'll find your life vest equipped with a water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Round the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking of any kind, including e-cigarettes, is never allowed on the aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighting signs and crew member instructions.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat bag is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, we're connecting people, uniting the world and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight.
In the unlikely event that oxygen is needed on today's flight, we ask please that you remove your face covering before putting on the oxygen mask. Thank you.
Welcome aboard. With DirecTV in flight, the best in-flight entertainment is right here in your hands. You'll enjoy your flight with so much to choose from. You can watch live news or your favorite sports. Catch up on your favorites or find something new to watch. We'll keep the kids happy for hours on end with the best in family entertainment. In the mood for a movie? Then check out our exciting selection of Hollywood blockbusters. 8 movies, all included. To get started, you can use your headset or ask a flight attendant for a complimentary headset after takeoff. Then use the remote on your armrest to start surfing by selecting the blue button for the channel guide. It's that easy.
We are a different type of traveler. We
seek adventure and 2 times the miles on United purchases. We hunger for new flavors and 2 times the miles on dining and hotel stays. We carry a sense of adventure and a free checked bag